So welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to see that how to print all the links available over a web page, right? So I have selected sugarcrm.com request demo page, and we can see that here we have number of links, right? For example, privacy policy, this is a link. Okay, so here we can see number of links, right? So you can see that if you inspect one of these link, then you can see this is a link, right? So I've inspected the blog and you can see that this is a link, okay, because it is inside the anchor tag, and this is the visible text blog, and you will be redirected to /blog/ because this is the href attribute, right? This is the attribute and this is the tag, right? So again, if I inspect this particular training and certification, then again you will see that this is inside a tag, and we have href as this particular link, and the visible text is training and certification, right? So if you want to get all the links available over a web page, then you can just simply press Ctrl F, opening the search tab, and then /A, right? So we can see that here we have 207 links, right? 207 links over this particular web page. So if we reload the web page, then the links may change. Okay, the number of links may change. So let us see once again, reload it once again, right? So it has reloaded. Let us inspect it once again and press Control F, and then again write /A, and it is 207. Okay, on this page it is not changing, right? Sometimes it changes, right? So sometimes it changes when you reload the page, then it changes. So for example, let me open uh, zigwheels.com, right? So if I show you over here, if you inspect this particular web page, then and press Control F and then write /A, right? So you can see 410 links right now. If I reload this page, then the number of links will change. Okay, just taking a little bit of time. Just wait for a while. Let me write here /A once again. So you can see that it is now 418. Okay, so there are some pages over which the number of links changes when you basically reload the page, because there may be some advertisements coming. Okay, so uh, let us be on this particular Sugar CRM page, and we need to print all the links. Okay, so let us go to the script, and here I have invoked the Chrome browser by these two lines, the WebDriver manage.chromedriver.setup, and then creating the object of Chrome driver class. Okay, so we need to navigate to Sugar CRM, so I am writing here driver.get and pasting this particular link or the URL over here. So we navigated to Sugar CRM, and now I will write driver dot find elements. Why elements? Because we have a lot of links. So I will write here elements, and then I will write here by tag name, and then I'll provide the tag name as a, because all the links are present inside the anchor tag, that is the a tag. So I am finding all the elements having a tag name as a. And what is the return type of find elements? It is a list of web elements. Okay, so let us create the object of list of web elements and store this particular locator of all the links inside a particular object. Okay, so list of uh, yeah web element, and then all links. Okay, I hope you're clear. So we need to import web element and list from java.util. So okay, list we have imported, and web element from org.openqa.selenium. Yeah, so we have imported both of them. Okay, so now if you want basically that how many links are present over your web page, your Sugar CRM web page, then you need to use a method known as size. Okay, so I'm writing here system dot out dot println, and then I'm writing here all links, wait for a while, yeah, all links dot size. Okay, so we are printing the number of links we have over the web page sugarcrm.com request demo, right? So we have printed the size of the link. So now in order to get the text of the links, and get the href attribute of the links, we need to navigate through each and every link. For example, if I tell you a real life scenario, then if I want to, get the name of each and every person in your city, so I need to go to each and every home and then ask people that what is your name, and I will write them in a particular diary, and then I will write them over the Microsoft Word and then print it, right? So similarly, if I want to get the link text or the href attribute of the links, then I need to navigate through all the links. Okay, and in order to navigate through all the links, we need a loop. Okay, a loop. What loop we are going to use? We are going to use the for loop. So I'm creating a for loop, right? So I am writing here for int, wait for a while, yeah, for int I is equals to 0. Let me write it, I'll explain you, right? So I less than equal to all links dot size, and then I plus plus, right? And then for loops body. So let me explain you. What I'm doing, that I'm navigating through all the links via this variable I. Okay, how I'm doing this? For example, if there are 200 links over a particular web page, okay, so for example, there are 200 links. So I am navigating from the 0th link to the last link. Okay, so last link will be 199. It makes a total of 200. 0 to 199 is 200, right? So this is how we will navigate through every link. So now I will write the body of for loop. Okay, so I'm writing here system.out.println. What I'm doing here, now we need to print the href attribute of every link, right? Href attribute I want to print. Okay, so in order to print the href attribute, we need to go to the link and then ask that particular link what is your href attribute, and that link will give you the href attribute, and then you will print it over the console, right? So similarly, we are going to write the script for that. All links, and then get, and then I'll write here I, and then get attribute, and then name of the attribute is href. So what I have done here, let me explain you very clearly. See, if you are over the 0th link, okay, or over the first link, right? The first link will be denoted by the index 0, okay? So if you are at the 0th link, so all links object contain all the address of all the links, right? And if you are at the 0th link, so you are currently at the 0th link, so you are selecting the 0th link from the get I, and then you are selecting the attribute href of the 0th link. Okay, for example, if for suppose this is the first link which the script encounters, this is the 0th link, so it will reach this particular 0th link, and then it will ask that what is your href, right? So this is what we are doing from this line. Okay, all links object is having all the links, location of all the links, and then we are reaching the 0th link, and then we are getting the attribute. If you want to relate it with your real life scenario, for example, all links, that means your particular city, and then get I, that means your particular home, and then get attribute, and I'm asking name of every person in your home. Okay, so this is what I'm doing, and then I'm again writing this particular statement and then printing the text of particular link, right? So control C and then control V, and then I'm removing this from here. So we have to write here dot get text, right? So you will be printed with all the text of the links. Okay, so let me run this particular script and show you how this is done, right? So the script is running, the Chrome browser is opening, and the Sugar CRM request demo page has opened, and it will you can see here something is happening, something is happening. Let me minimize after the script is done. I'll minimize this particular page. So here you can see that we have a total of 198 links, and this particular, is the href, and this is the link text, right? And this is the second href, right? Hyperlink reference, and this is the link text, and this is the third href, and this is the link text, right? So Here the link text is not available because every link does not has a link text. You just click over it and then you will be navigated, right? There can be image also redirecting you to some other page. So the image does not has a link text. Okay, so in many cases we do not have link text. For example, here we have a login as a link text, right? So we have this particular href and then we have a login for as a link text for this particular href, right? So again we have null because we do not have any link text for this particular link, right? So there are many links which do not have link text, and there are certain links that has link text. Okay, so you need not worry about that. So this is how we print all the links over a web page, and this is how we use the for loop for printing the links, right? So I hope that this particular concept is clear to you, because this is very important and it will be used a lot when you will practice real life scenario regarding testing your web applications. So I hope that everything is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.